Jackie with the fancy front door, Coach Fancy. All right, so I am going to just kind of make this really fun, flowy bottom, and I'm going to perch my sweet pumpkin in it like so. We're going to make kind of a nest down here at the bottom and perch my pumpkin in. All right, so here we go. First things first, let me go ahead and get this into place. Fortunately, it's got this tie over here, which is really great. Let's see, so I'll be able to attach that kind of up here, and then these down here. All right, so I've got my cable tie mounts at the bottom. Lovely. And through like so. I'm going to come back here with a hole punch and reinforce these whenever I find my hole punch. There we go. These cable tie mounts are a great idea, but generally they work better on a wooden sign because this metal can heat up and outside, and then the adhesive lets go, and that's not good. All right, so here we go. I'm going to attach this down here on this lower level. Fortunately, this stem is going to be kind of covering my guts right here. And then down here, this is going to look like it's kind of suspended in the middle for a second. We're going to fill up the spots and cover our guts. Okay. All right, so down here at the bottom, let's make a nice cushiony, fluffy pillow for it. I'm going to cut a few mesh pearls. And I love this. It's really hard to find. It's called frayed mesh, or I think that's what it's called. Like a frayed burlap mesh. It's got lots and lots and lots of texture. As you can see, I'm not measuring. Hey, hey. I usually go shin to belly button and cut. And that makes about a 17-ish inch cruffle. I've got 5 of them. Okay, so let's put one here in the middle. Some on the outside. And the inside. Specifically put one right here next to where I attached this sign, so it can really cover our guts up. And then I'll do the same over here, put one down at the bottom. And up here on top. I've got kind of a gap right here, so I'll put another one right here. So I'm going to add some cruffles, it's a curl and a ruffle, to these zip ties. Okay, I need to trim this one. This one is from that sign. And just walk my way around. Okay, so it doesn't matter which direction you put these up and down like an hourglass or side to side like a butterfly. It doesn't matter. The point is just to get the coverage from side to side. All right, let's go ahead and add our greenery, which today will be pampas grass. I love this. Let's put down a good thick layer of this pretty stuff. The grapevine is an 18-inch round. Okay. So let's go ahead and start adding this pampas grass around. I'm going to put it in and then glue it because I want to get some good placement. I love this technique because look, you move this out of the way and you've got lots and lots and lots of real estate to put in different items. Lots of real estate. I'm going to tuck in my, let's just go ahead and start adding these here and there and making a good full thick base. Layering them in. Isn't this fun? Look how far it sticks out. I just love pampas grass. It's super fun. I love this so much. It's a fun pop of color. They are ginkgo leaves from Deco Exchange, and I actually used these while we were there. Okay, I'm going to fluff them out and make them all pretty and fun. And just go ahead and pop these in here and there. Kind of in between where some of this pampas is hanging out. There are 4, so let's do 2 on each side. 1 towards the back and 1 towards the middle. So we can cover up all that awful with all of this. Look how fun that is. And I'm just going to pull these off of the stem. I love that when they have these tiny wires because they just slide right in where you need them. And let's just go ahead and pop these in and around and through the layers as well. Let's add a little bit of glam up in there. It's really thin wire. And like I said, I love this because they pop in wherever you need them to go. Okay. So let's start with this lovely pop of faux ostrich ribbon. I'm thinking because it's all kind of boho that I kind of want to make a big, thick, slouchy bow. So here we go. Okay, so make a loop from back to front. We're going to pinch it together and just set it right on top. Okay, I've just got my fingers lightly pressed together. I'm not like kung fu gripping this. I'm going to put a good twist on this ribbon, twist it completely upside down, and make another loop from back to front, okay? And then we're gonna walk it together and set it right on top. Make sure our tails are facing the correct direction and our loops are the same size. It's kind of hard to tell because this is Big Bird, but they're the same size. All right. I like big bows and I cannot lie, but this one's just a little bit big because I still want to see all of this fun popping out of here. So I'm actually gonna just pull this in a wee bit and see, yeah, I like that a little bit better. Let's pull this one in too. Great. Let's go ahead and pull this one on over it. A couple inches shorter than the other. And then we're going to walk it together, lay it back. Sorry. Walk it together, lay it back, and make a loop from back to front. We'll walk it together again. This is some slouchy burlap. All right, it's got a good wire, so it's just a little slouchy and lazy feeling to work with, but as soon as you work that wire, it pops up. It'll be fine. Okay, good good hard twist. Good twist on this and set it completely upside down, and it's sitting about 1 inch inside of the other. So here we go. Good hard twist. Okay, and we are walking this together and set it right on top. And this one should also sit about 1 inch inside. It's a little long. Let's find that wire and open up this loop. Make sure these are the same height. Looking good. This is sitting about 1 inch inside of each of these loops. This loop is actually a little big. Yeah, there we go. It's sitting about 1 inch inside. So is this one. Looking good. Make sure these tails are faced the same direction. I don't think I could do anything else to this to make me love it more. Okay, now, oh, this ostrich also comes in pink and it's so fun. It's like a buff, really pretty baby pink. Let's cut these tails. There we go. Ooh. And then let's cut this one. Now let's take this zip tie. We're not going to lasso it all the way around the outside. We're going to go in right here and then come back through right above it. like so. So it looks like a little shark mouth, ready to just bite the middle of our bow, like so. So fun. Okay. There we go. How fun that is. All right, now go ahead and add some glue to everything that's in here because I actually do like the position of everything. More glitter. Adore this so much. Let's go ahead and glue in the golds. Big fan of where they are. Love this. All right, you guys. Okay, here we are. Look at it from the side. See how thick and juicy and full that is? All right. Y'all have the best day. This was so much fun.